I was walking down Main Street in Santa Monica today with my girlfriend. We're having a little afternoon stroll. There's lots of hair salons and nail beauty spas. We passed this one. It's a long shot, but I might see if they do walk-ins. And they look pretty empty in there. So I thought, sure. Anyway, we walk into said hair salon and there's a woman cutting some hair. F me if I could tell you what the f***'s happening there. There's a woman at the front desk and we said, my girlfriend said hi. She goes, hi. She went, hi, as if to say, f***ing customers. I hate it when that happens. F***ing customers. And my girlfriend said, do you do walk-ins? And the woman, the girl behind the counter, looked at us. We just shot her in the face. She went like this. This is her response to, do you guys do walk-ins? She went,
no.
Any chance you can do one today? She goes, you got to call and make a booking. And my girlfriend was like, cool, but can you have a look to see if there's any available slots? And the woman, literally, the girl behind the counter, she said,
no, you got to call.
And my girlfriend's like, if I call now, are you going to pick up the phone in front of me? He said, I'm not going to lie, that's going to be weird. I'm thinking, you're in the shop. You're in the shop and we want to make a booking, right? So the girl goes, do you need the number? I'm like, yeah, we need the number. We want to book a hair appointment for now. We need the number. Janice, what? All right, what's the number for booking? Guys, we're in the shop. We're in the store. Find a number. Call booking. Call the number. Call the number. That's nice. I said, what's happening? I said, the booking line. She goes, oh yeah, I think the line's down. How do we book? It's like Harry Potter. We've got to run through the wall. Or we just got to the woman with the foil. Say, how the did you get a booking in here? It's a nightmare.
Now, let's talk about what really happened here, because this wasn't just bad service. This was a complete breakdown of basic salon professionalism. So the client walks into a salon that looks empty, meaning there's potential availability. They ask a simple question, do you accept walk-ins? Instead of being greeted properly, the front desk responds with attitude and immediately says no, with no effort to help. Now here's where it gets worse. The client tries to book an appointment while standing inside the salon, and instead of assisting them, they're told to call a booking line. The booking line isn't working. The staff doesn't know the number. No one checks the system. No one takes initiative. At one point, the client literally has to go online to find the number to call the salon while standing inside the salon. And only after all that, they magically find an available appointment. Which means what? The salon could have helped from the beginning. They just didn't want to. This is not a booking issue. This is a customer service failure. Now let's break down what should happen in a professional salon environment. First, every client gets a proper greeting. The moment a client walks in, eye contact, acknowledgement, friendly tone. Even if you're busy, you never make a client feel like an inconvenience. Second, never turn away without trying to help. If you don't accept walk-ins, you still check availability, offer the next open slot, and provide options. Saying no with no solution is just bad business. So let's talk about the front desk. Your front desk is honestly your problem solver. They're not just there to sit. They are like the face of your business. They should be able to check the booking system, communicate clearly, and assist right away. If a client is standing in front of you, there is zero reason they should have to call a phone number, for real. Now, let's eliminate friction. A client should never have to call while they're already inside the salon, search online for your number, or chase down basic information. That just creates frustration and you lose trust instantly. Customer experience is honestly your reputation. People don't just remember the hair, they remember how they were treated, how easy the process was, and how respected they felt. And this is what really decides if they come back or tell everyone not to come. Don't make booking harder than it needs to be. Treat walk-ins like opportunities, not problems. And remember, your attitude can lose clients before the service even starts. If you're a stylist who wants to level up your professionalism, timing, and client experience, subscribe for more real salon education and follow Stylist Factory as we produce the century's best hairstyles.